Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. As you can see, it's raining. It's raining pretty damn good too. It actually started raining harder the moment I parked. Oh, that's alright though. We're gonna forge on forward. Rain or shine. Normally I would go to the park and work on and do my videos underneath that cover, but no tailgate there. So I'm gonna film my tailgate Thursday. Come on, let up a little. Hi. See, it was one of those days I wish I had my PVC shelter that I made. I could have just put it up and put a tarp over, but I hadn't gotten. I've been too damn busy to even get out and finish the tweaks on it. So now I'm kind of hosed, like literally hosed. So anyway, let's roll. All right, I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head home and finish this video there. Because, you know, it's one thing if it's just a light drizzle, but it's just coming down, so. Is it gonna lighten up? If it lightened up, I would, you know, I could tough it out. And I could deal with a little bit of drizzle, but it's just straight up pouring down rain. So, I'll give it a minute or two off camera and I'll decide from there. Alright, I think I'm going to do is I'm going to head home and finish this video there. Because, you know, it's one thing if it's just a light drizzle, but it's just coming down, so. Is it going to lighten up? If it lightened up, I would, you know, I could tough it out. And I could deal with a little bit of drizzle, but it's just straight up pouring down rain. So, I'll give it a minute or two off camera and I'll decide from there. Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Tailgate Thursday. I tried to come out here yesterday, but man, it was just coming down. You know, a little drizzle I would have dealt with, but yeah, no way. It's just raining too hard. So, you know, there's always another day, even though today's Wednesday and I gotta edit this and have it up by midnight for Thursday's video, but I'm going to be trying some Root Earth Maine Chaga. Never had it before. I found it on Etsy, and you know, once I'm done I get a nice little tin to go with it. But yeah, let me turn the other camera so you can get a better look. Alright, hope you can see that okay. Root Earth from Maine Chaga mushroom tea. Found it on Etsy. Damn you Etsy, the bane of my existence. Taking more money out of my wallet, but It seemed like a good way to get some chaga. I actually just typed it in random and it popped up, so I had to give it a try. And I'm just waiting for the water, but I wanted to kind of throw in too. Along with my purchase, they threw in this little bag, and they also threw in a little card, hand wrote. Thank you from Sarah. Which I appreciate those little touches. They just earned themselves a customer for life, as long as they're in business. And they sent me a little rock to go with it. Pretty neat. I don't know if the camera's going to show that, but I like little touches like that. I'm just waiting for my water. I think it's done, because I don't need it to be super boiling, which it is boiling, but okay, we're going to throw some of this in. We're going to let it steep in the, I don't know how much I need to put in. I guess I'll just wing it. One more. That might be enough. Let that steep and do its thing. Got my mug here. Got some my stevia sweetener, or excuse me, Truvia sweetener that I use for my coffee. Yeah, I'm gonna sweeten my Chaga tea. Just one packet, not a whole lot. That's that. Alright, so my original plan was to actually cook something this week, because I actually have an idea, and I was going to deep fry something else, but it's just been a busy work week, so it's been a busy week. So I was just going to do one of these devour meals, and this one Mark Kratz sent me, and this one I found at Walmart. So one is sharp cheddar mac and cheese with bacon, this one is creamy Alfredo mac and cheese with bacon. And I was going to just flip a coin, see which one I eat. But honestly, I'm not even hungry. So, I don't want to just force a meal down my throat if I'm not hungry. So I'm just going to do the tea today. I didn't save one of these. I'm planning on a hike this Saturday, rain or shine. Unless it's really coming down and really windy, but we'll just have to see how it goes. I would go out to the woods, but man, I just been working so much. I'm just tired. Right, this week I'm just tired. I don't know if I want to spend the energy going all the way out there. So I worked this Friday. I'll be working 13 days in a row. So I've been working a lot of overtime. A lot over the last month, and so it's kind of taking its toll. I'm working on a deal to take a Friday off, and because if I take PTO, I have to take the next weekend off, so I'll have a 3-day weekend, and I've been making plans to go do a hammock hang with some buddies from Facebook, but it all depends on if we hire this guy to work or not. If he works out and he starts, then the other supervisor can cover me on Friday. I can take Friday off for PTO, and that'll give me the weekend off. So fingers crossed for that. So I hope that happens. And yeah. So it is what it is. Okay, so I didn't bother looking at the bottom. There's a sticker on the bottom. So it's rootearth.com, which I'll link their website down below. So it's boil 1 to 2 teaspoons in a 1 cup of water for 10 minutes covered. So I didn't put it in when I boiled it. Strain and enjoy. Chaga can be brewed 3 times. Just store in fridge after straining. So 1 teaspoon for 3 uses, and I've got a whole tin of this. So this will last a while. I'll probably bring a little zip top bag next time to put the unboiled chaga in, but I didn't know I was supposed to boil it. Well, whatever. Oops. Who eats? I mean, I'm probably the only guy who just doesn't bother reading directions. Well, maybe it won't be as good, but maybe next time I'll make sure to read the directions. So I can get 3 more boils out of it too, or 2 more boils after this. So That's pretty good, I think. Alright, let's give this tea a try. I think it's been about 10 minutes. I didn't boil it for 10 minutes, but I let it steep for 10 minutes, so the color doesn't look too shabby. I got some floaty bits. Let's be careful when I stir it, although I might have stirred all the floaty bits around. I don't really need a... Alright. Cheers, one and all. Sounds like geese are coming. It's got a nice flavor to it. Got the sweetness from the Truvia. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. So, well, as always, I'll put all the links for earthroot.com and their Etsy store down in the description if you want to give them a check. I forgot how much I paid for each tin. I'll have to look it up. I don't recall it being that expensive. So as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.